Gold has retraced slightly from the area of support 3272.61. The price has reached yesterday a support level and returning back up, touching again the resistance level 3314.79. We can see that during the day, and the price has retraced again back down from this area of resistance, which means the sellers who are pushing the price from here has still strength here, pushing the price even further down. But we can see the strength was not so strong to push the price even below this area of support, because the buyers are still waiting here, pushing the price again up. So we can see it was the fight between the buyers and the sellers, and the price has almost has ended the day in between this area of resistance and this area of support. On the 4-hour time frame from yesterday, we can see how the price has behaved. Since yesterday, we can see that the price has bouncing from this area of support 3272.61, and during the day, in the first 3-4-hour time frames, the price has risen in value. We can see that yesterday, this area, this is the candle which has made a bullish breakout about 3285.87, and it was indication of the further rise in value, reaching the next resistance level here, 3301.18. This area and this bullish breakout I have shared inside the premium analysis. Feel free to check the link below in the description if you would like to join and receive these updates. It was a bullish breakout targeting the area of resistance, and this was successful. In the next 4-hour time frame, the price has reached this area as a take profit, and then the price continued to rise in value, forming another bullish breakout, reaching the daily resistance level, and then the price is bouncing back down, retracing slightly. In the next 4-hour time frame, we can see the price was trying to move down. This selling pressure from the daily resistance level has tried to push further down. We can see that large wick, but unsuccessfully making a bearish breakout. It was not successfully bearish breakout, but only in the next attempt. In the next attempt, we can see the price has gone below this area of support, and then the price continued to lose its value all the way to this area 3285.87, where the price is currently has bouncing again. From here, on the 4-hour time frame, the price is bouncing, retraced back up, and we can see the price is currently in between this area of resistance and this area of support. On the 4-hour time frame, since yesterday, we can see how the price has behaved, reaching from the area of support, which is a daily support. The price has continued to rise in value several hours, until the price has reached the daily resistance level and then returning back down, and for several hours the price is returning back down. Now, on the 1-hour time frame, we can see how this looks. This was a strong bullish momentum from the daily support level 3272.61, but we can see currently there is the selling pressure here on the 1-hour time frame is not so strong, not so clean, because there is the fight between the buyers and the sellers. Sellers are pushing, the buyers are pushing up. The sellers are still pushing down, the buyers are pushing up, and we can see it is slightly in the small downtrend currently on the 1-hour time frame. How the price will behave during the rest of the day. For now, we can see that it is very important to see how the price will behave around this area of support here 3285.87, and if the price goes below the daily support 3272.61. The daily time frame shows us indecision between the buyers and the sellers. We can see the price has closed yesterday in between, which means again fight between the buyers and the sellers. So currently it is the best to wait outside for the market and wait to see where is the clean bullish or bearish breakout, especially because today is also a Friday. A Friday is the day when the traders get out from their trades, log their profits before the weekend starts, to avoid the news over the weekend when the market is closed. So they would like to avoid being in the market, for example, like in this example, where on the Monday the price opens with a gap. So it's very good when the price opens with a gap in your favor, but what happens if the price opens with a gap against you, which means it could open with a gap against you with a stop loss activated, which will be much larger than you have predicted. So it is the best to stay out and also wait for a clean market move. So for today, I'm waiting outside of the market. On the daily time frame, I will not try to move in any on the directions, because it is a decision between the buyers and the sellers, between this area of resistance, between this area of support. On the 4-hour time frame, what I can see, I can also follow only when there is bullish or bearish breakout. This is something that I will follow closely, and also on the 1 hour time frame. Like yesterday, 2 days ago, sorry, when the price has formed this strong bearish candle, I have informed the traders about this bearish momentum that will try to move further down to this area of support. And we can see in the next 1 hour time frame, the price has reached that take profit level. So if there is some kind of a bullish or bearish breakouts happening on the 1 hour time frame or the 4 hour time frame during the day today, I will also share that inside the premium analysis, but I will be cautious in the afternoon. In the afternoon on the Friday, I especially avoid trading completely, because it is end of the day when the traders get out from their trades. So sometimes the technical analysis is not very correct because of that. So for now, waiting outside and also waiting for the market to move, to make a move, is the best move. So for now, that's all for today. See you next time and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.